Hello, first grade. I know that you guys are going to be letting go of butterflies today. Super, super exciting. So I found a book that really you guys can all relate to. It's called From Caterpillar to Butterfly. So I'm going to read it to you, and I hope you guys all have fun watching the butterflies. Here we go. All right, so here's the book, From Caterpillar to Butterfly by Deborah Heiligman, illustrated by Barry Weissman. I'm going to do my best to try to make sure you can see this. From Caterpillar to Butterfly. Well, I think you remember when you were at this stage. Today, a caterpillar came to school in a jar. It is eating green leaves. It is climbing and wiggling. This tiny caterpillar is going to change. It will change into a beautiful butterfly. Caterpillars usually turn into butterflies outdoors. They live in gardens and meadows and yards. But we will watch our caterpillar change into a butterfly right here in our classroom, or in our case, in your teacher's houses. This change is called metamorphosis. That's a big word, metamorphosis. There's all the kids in the classroom. Our caterpillar started out as a tiny egg. The mother butterfly laid the egg on a leaf. And here we have the egg. The egg is tiny. It's the size of a pinhead. Wow, that's small. When the caterpillar hatched out of the egg, it was hungry. It ate its way out of its own eggshell. Then it started to eat green plants right away. The mother butterfly lays her eggs on plants that the caterpillar will eat. These are called host plants. A caterpillar's job is to eat and eat and eat, so it will grow and grow and grow. The caterpillar is also called the larvae. Each day when we come into school, we look at our caterpillar. Each day it is bigger. And I know your teachers have been giving you some video of your caterpillars. The caterpillar eats and grows for 12 to 14 days. Our skin grows with us, but a caterpillar's skin does not grow. When the caterpillar gets too big for its skin, the skin splits down the back. The caterpillar crawls right out of its skin. It has new skin underneath. This is called molting. Our caterpillar will molt 4 or 5 times. After many days, our caterpillar is finished growing. It is much bigger than when it first came to school. It is almost as big as my little finger now. There's the caterpillar. Our caterpillar is making a special house. First, it makes a button of silk. And there's the little button you can see. It uses this button to hang upside down from a twig. A twig is like a branch. Then it molts for the last time. Instead of a new skin, this time there is a hard shell. This shell is called a chrysalis. Our caterpillar will stay inside the chrysalis for a long time. The chrysalis is also called the pupa. That's kind of a funny name, pupa. So it's in the hard shell. Every day the caterpillar looks the same, the chrysalis looks the same. We can't see anything happening, but inside the chrysalis, our caterpillar is changing. And the kids are all watching this change happening. Will our caterpillar turn into a butterfly? Will it ever come out of its chrysalis? We can hardly wait, but we do. We wait and wait and wait. And you guys have been waiting at your house. Then one day, during snack time, somebody shouts, "Look!" And we all rush over to see. The chrysalis is cracking. We see a head, a body, and then wings. It's a butterfly. The tiny caterpillar who came to school in a jar turned into a painted lady butterfly, and we saw it happen. Our butterfly is damp and crumpled. Damp means wet. It hangs on to the chrysalis while its wings flap, flap, flap. Blood pumps into its wings. The wings straighten out and dry. Soon our butterfly will be ready to fly. In 2 hours, the wings are dry and the butterfly is ready to fly. That is so cool, first graders. Our butterfly cannot stay in the jar. It needs to be outside with flowers and grass and trees and other butterflies. It is a warm spring day. I put my finger into the jar. The butterfly sits on my finger. I pull it out and our butterfly goes free. We feel a little sad and a little happy. We watch our butterfly land on a flower. It will sip the flower's nectar through a long coiled tube called a proboscis. Maybe it is a female butterfly. Maybe someday she will lay an egg on a leaf. There's the butterfly on the flower. I know just what will happen then. That egg will hatch into a caterpillar, and that caterpillar will turn into a beautiful butterfly. And here are many different types of butterflies. There's the monarch, the black swallowtail, that's pretty, the cabbage white. This one's called the dog-faced butterfly. And this one's called common blue. Blue is my favorite color, so I think I like that one. And this one is called the buckeye. So maybe what we could do, boys and girls, is when you're outside, you could try to find different kinds of butterflies. And that's the end. So exciting, first graders. I hope you guys are all doing well and miss you like crazy. Stay healthy and safe. Bye-bye.